Hello, hi guys. I hope you look good. I hope you look blessed. Today I'm reviewing NASDAQ on Friday, right? The 7th of June, which was yesterday, right? Yesterday we experienced some news, NFP news, and yeah, I actually took a trade. I took two trades, sell trades and also buy trades, right? I actually took them on US 500. So because US 500 and NASDAQ kind of move similarly, right? If one buys, there's a huge possibility the other one buys, right? So later on, I'll just after doing this review analysis on NASDAQ, I'll do a review of how I took the trades on US 500, right? So yeah, let me just put this at 2 p.m. because that's that's the time I did my analysis, because I knew that NFP is gonna be um released at 2:30. So that's why I say I like doing my analysis at 2 p.m. or 2:30, just in case there's any news, right? Okay, let me do my top-down analysis as usual. So we are currently in our uptrend as usual, and then my previous trend was my downtrend. So I'm only gonna take buys and hold them for a long time, right? So yeah, so I'm gonna make a video on a review analysis on NASDAQ on Wednesday and Thursday, I mean, sorry, a bit later on, right? So please excuse the background noise. Yeah, so here is my very important levels as usual on my 4 hour. Let me just change that and then extend it, right? Let me just zoom in a bit. So yeah, okay. And then here, this was my all-time high, remember, on the 23rd of May. This was my previous all-time high before price made another all-time high on Thursday, right? So we know that this is a very strong resistance, right, that was broken above. So I'm expecting price to come back to retest this level right here and then possibly push up to the upside, right? So yeah, that's what I was expecting when I was doing my analysis. And also I expected that if price doesn't reverse on this level right here, it might just reverse on these other levels, right? Like this one as well. There's a high possibility it might just come back to reverse around here, right? So yeah, let me just drop down to my 30 minutes. So this is my all-time high. So price made an all-time high when on Thursday, right? Let's do this on Thursday, right? Did an all-time high on Thursday. So on 30 minutes, I do what? Swing lows, swing highs, and if there's any levels, any swing low, swing high levels that are broken, I need to pay attention to that. So here we had what? We had a swing high and a swing low. Swing high that was broken above, right? That is very important. This is now my new swing high, and then this is my new swing low, right? So now price came and did what? It broke this swing low to make this other swing low, right? So now that signals to me that we are changing character, right? We are from an uptrend to a downtrend. So sells are very much possible, right? But I'm only gonna sell for a short period of time because we are in an uptrend on my 4 hour, right? So this is my 30 minutes, a lower time frame, right? So I can sell for a short time, but remember that I am still in my um uptrend, right? So I need to get out as quickly as possible. That's why I didn't hold my sales for very long, right? So after that, I saw that after price broke this swing low, right, it came back into my retest zone, my 30 minutes retest zone. This is my 30 minutes retest zone. So it was still playing around there even on Friday, right? And it failed to break this swing high. So that is also my other signal to show me that we are selling, right? And market makers have there's a high possibility that the market makers might use this to reject about around this level, this zone, to retest this resistance to make it a support, right? So yeah, that's what I saw. Then I went down on my to my 5 minute or 1 minute to look for my entry. So on my 5 minute time frame or the 1 minute time frame, I'm looking for my what? I'm looking for my okay, my 30 minutes, I'm supposed to look for my supply and fair value gaps, right? So this is my supply, just, and even this one actually. This is my last supply around about here. Let me just change it to a blue, right? This is my supply. This is my last supply. Let me just do things correctly actually. So this is my supply right here. And then I can look for my recent fair value gaps, right? So fair value gap, this is my recent fair value gap right here. Let me just change that so that we know it is a fair value gap and not a supply. So what happened was, what I was expecting was, is either price will reverse at my fair value gap, and if it doesn't reverse at my fair value gap, I'm gonna wait for it to reverse within my supply, right? On my 5 minute or my 1 minute, right? So I look for my bearish engulfings in these zones, right? So zooming in, you can see at like 2 p.m. there was no bearish engulfing on my 5 minutes, right? So I stepped down to my 1 minute and then I wait. So my aim is to enter the market just before 2:30, around maybe 25 past 2. I'm in the market, right? I opened my orders. Maybe it is a buy stop here. I'd place my, not my buy stop, sorry, my sell limit around about here, sell limit around about here, and some of my sell orders, immediate sell orders around here, right? So that's what I did. So here I saw what? I saw a bullish engulfing here, a bearish engulfing. I'm sorry, I don't know why I'm obsessed with bullish engulfings. Sorry, my bearish engulfing right here, my first one, that is signaling to me that the market makers might just reject around this level, right? And then a second bearish engulfing, then I'm sure that I'm selling, right? So that's where I put my sell sells here, and then one sell limit around about here, because I knew that the market makers are gonna want to like take out a lot of people before going into the right direction. They're gonna take out a lot of sellers here. They took out a lot of sellers here and then pushed downwards, right? That's what they do. They hunt your stop losses. They know around about here, that's where we put our stop losses. So I didn't put my stop loss as of yet, because I know if I had put my stop loss, it would be very tight, right? So yeah, so that's how I caught this sell roundabout here at NFP. Let me just go to my US100 and show you the same thing. That's what happened. So here's my previous analysis actually. Here there wasn't a lot of spikes, right? As you can see here, this is on Friday. Sorry, let me just zoom out. Let me just go to my 5 minute, right? So here was at like 2 p.m. Let me just do this. 2 p.m., right? So here, as you can see, yes, what I like about GS500 is that it doesn't spike a lot like NASDAQ, right? It doesn't spike a lot. Look at this. There wasn't a huge spike up like NASDAQ did. So I caught my sales around about here. Let me just show you. Here's the bullish engulfing here. Bearish engulfing, I mean, bearish engulfing around about here, right? On my 5 minute. Here's my bearish engulfing. That's when I took my sales and placed my sell limit round about here, and the sell limit wasn't executed because price didn't come back here, but at least my sales were in, and then I put my, I think my take profit here. Oh, it's either I closed very early on. Let me just see where that um resistance was, right? Because that signals that it's possible that it's gonna be my this level is gonna be my support, right? Sometimes price doesn't hit your support level accurately, so it might just reject around about there, right? Oh, sorry, that's not my highest high. Here it is, right? So I was expecting price to come back here around this zone right here. So that's where I took my profits. Yeah, somewhere here. I took my profits somewhere here. So that's why I didn't sell for a long time. So I took my buys around about here. Let me just see. I took my buys and about here at this bullish engulfing to the upwards because I saw that this is actually what retest of this resistance. Yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like, share, and subscribe.